I really think that finding your joy to whatever degree you are capable of doing it is a good idea right now. You don't need to perform misery out to the world. I don't think performing your feelings is really particularly healthy, though social media might want you to do it. You're allowed to feel how you feel. And if you're having a moment of joy, don't suppress it out of some sense that you should be feeling more awful, right? I think, there's a lot of liberation in joy. There's a whole movement of Black joy, which I have found absolutely delightful and wonderful. And I don't know about you, but I'd rather come to the party where joy is being served than any other party. So it may feel really hard. It actually may feel like the hardest thing you do all day. But I really encourage you to remind yourself of the things that you like. These could be tiny. These could be sunshine on your face. They could be a little piece of candy you steal out of your kid's Halloween bag. That's me speaking here. It could be an exercise class. It could be your best friend. It could be a really silly joke that you share with your friends. Whatever it is, small, large, hold it tight, conjure it as much as you can.